Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and from today I will teach you how to solve the 3x3 cube much faster. Within the course of 4 days, I will teach you to solve the 3x3 cube by the CFOP method. CFOP stands for cross, F12, OLL and PLL. In this video, I will teach you the first step of the CFOP or the cross. Before we get started, understand that in this step we solve the cross in the bottom. We do this to move on to the next step as soon as we are done with the cross. So to master the cross, there are only 4 cases that can come across. And in this video, I will teach you all of them. Now with that, let us begin. Now before we get into the cross thing, make sure that you know the color scheme, which is in the opposite of white, there is yellow, opposite of blue, it is green, opposite of orange, it is red. Then considering yellow at the top, in the right side of red, there is green, right side of green, there is orange, right side of orange, there is blue, and vice versa. Now knowing that, let's get more further. Now we can divide the 4 cases into 2 parts. One part is that the white edge piece will be somewhere in the top layer, and the another part is that the white piece will be somewhere around the middle layer. So with that, now let us get more into detail. So as you can see that in this case, the white edge piece is in the top layer and the white sticker is facing in the upper side. Now what you can just simply do is take it to its correct position, do a F2, and then you are done. In this case, as you can see that the white edge piece is in the top layer, but the white sticker is facing us. Now what you could just do is take it to its correct centerpiece, move it aside, bring it down, match it, then bring back the edge piece which was interrupted while solving this edge. Now, in this case, the edge is connected with a center that is adjacent to its center. So this a green edge, white green edge, should connect with this green center. So now what you can do is now it has to go 1 block away. So it is 1 block away from this center. What you could just do a D turn so that it comes 1 block further, bring it down, undo the move, and now when you sit, it is connected. Now, in this case, where the edge is connected to the centerpiece that is opposite to its correct centerpiece, blue is opposite to green. So now it is too easy. You just have to do a L2, then it is connected. Or what you could just do is do a R2, and now it is connected. Now whatever works for you, it all depends on you. So that was it. Hope you liked our video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.